Welcome to our question and answer segment. This month's topic is about security alarms. Just of late we've come across a number of our sellers that have an alarm system in their property and it's not working. So generally, Marcus, what is the common reason for these alarms not working?
Yeah, good question. Generally the alarm's not working, the batteries tend to go flat over a period of years, and then that causes alarms to go off. So then what they typically do is actually just turn the alarm off altogether. Then it can actually lose its coding memory as well. It's generally a fairly quick fix though, to just get a technician out. They replace the battery in the alarm and reprogram it if it needs reprogramming, generally of a cost of sort of around a $200 mark. Elizabeth, how does this affect from a contract point of view?
Yeah, well certainly at HKY Real Estate, in all of our offers that we write up, we actually include our standard annexure. And in that standard annexure is a condition that all the electrical, gas and plumbing items must be in good working order at settlement. Therefore, a security alarm does come under that electrical condition and would be required to be fixed and in working order at settlement. Also, the code for the alarm must be passed on to the new owners as well. Thanks for watching our question and answer segment, and we look forward to seeing you next month.